Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Canada Pathways. Today, we're delving into an important topic, the ins and outs of applying for the Medical Office Receptionist at Lakeside Medical Clinic in Saskatoon. Lakeside Medical Clinic in Saskatoon has an incredible opportunity for a full-time permanent role. Stick around as we guide you through the application process step by step. Job opportunity at Lakeside Medical Clinic, Saskatoon. Are you looking for a rewarding career opportunity in the healthcare industry? Lakeside Medical Clinic in Saskatoon is currently seeking a dedicated medical office receptionist to join our team. As a medical office receptionist, you will be the first point of contact for our patients, providing outstanding customer service and support in our family medicine department. To succeed in this role, you'll need outstanding people skills, attention to detail, and a positive attitude. Medical office assistant diploma or related experience, along with knowledge of medical terminology, would be beneficial. You should also be proficient in using computers, have excellent communication skills, and be able to work effectively both independently and as part of a team. This full-time position offers a competitive salary starting at $18.50 per hour, along with benefits including extended healthcare and overtime pay. If you're ready to embark on a fulfilling career in healthcare and meet our requirements, we want to hear from you. The application deadline is June 14, 2024, with an expected start date of June 26, 2024. To apply, please email your cover letter and resume to jobs@lakeside.ca. Join Lakeside Medical Clinic and make a difference in the lives of our patients today. Thank you for joining us on Canada Pathways. Remember, your journey is just beginning. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and inspiration to make your Canadian dreams a reality. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat. All the very best.